we go. We're actually driving this car to the body shop. As you can see, we're hitting about 35 miles an hour, and everything seems to be pretty good shape. So we're gonna see. Hopefully nothing falls off of the car. It's all loose and just half put in. As you can see, it has no hood. It's a weight reduction kit. Anyhow, this car is gonna be done hopefully in about 2 weeks. I'll give you guys posted once I have it done. But this is a 2018 Corvette Stingray with a little bit less than 5,000 miles. Car had pretty much cosmetic damage. You know, obviously it's all plastic, so it's gonna get repaired. It's gonna look like new, and it's gonna make somebody a nice driver. Really nice interior. Thing's almost new with 4,000 miles. Again, if you have any questions, this beauty will be available soon. You can contact Will at Our Next Car, and our website's ournextcar.com, or you can reach me at 323-997-0563. Again, this is Will, just signing out. Bye.